expect me to be blasting 80s rock when not recording these videos. I know it's been a while, mainly because, yeah, I've lost interest. I want to keep getting some videos made for y'all, because I know there's some people, I get compliments of like young kids that really enjoy my videos, so I want to keep these going for you guys. So today I decided to do a little spree. We're in Allen, Texas right now, starting off. I think we're here. Yep, McDermott. There's a Shell gas station here that has a car wash that we'll start out with today. Oh, 7-Eleven / Shell. Close enough. I have decided I will go home in about a month from this, the date of this video. So I have a pretty rough plan to document a few more car washes on my road trip back next month, mid to late October. So yes, I have a couple old Mark VIIs on the radar that, dear God, I'm hoping to get. So once this light changes, hopefully now, change red, not going the other way at least, on one of the sides. We can get going. Shoot, I forgot to get through the dash cam. Well, let's do this. A little late on the dash cam. Someone just pulled up, of course. Alright, well now my dash cam is going, and the main camera is going. Free car wash on your birthday. I wish I had knew about that a couple months ago. Oh yeah, this one's been upgraded or replaced. Or whatever. That's alright. Wasn't exactly sure what this machine was 100%. I knew it was some kind of Mark VII, so that's alright. I haven't done these videos as much, so I'm not surprised. As proficient as I used to be. Well, the dash cam, I'll set a time lapse for this guy. Can't tell if it's a soft wash or choice wash yet.
Station time in the device instructions. It's easy to sign up with station time. Station time in the device
9, 12, 14. Uh-oh, 7-Eleven's raising prices now too.
Please insert payment now. Please wait while your transaction is being processed. Thank you. When the wash is ready, please pull forward into the wash.
they got the new dryers here too. I wonder how often these Mark VII dryers are being updated or replaced, or how frequent, you know. And as someone says, let's do this. Pre-soak on one pass and dry foam on this pass. Let's see, probably can get our brushes. It is pretty obvious these machines have dominated the DFW area. Wax of some sort. Oh, we're doing a whole second brush pass. Looks like. But yeah, it's getting the wheels. I can feel it. "75 seconds dryer time." Nice. These dryers still seemed decent enough, so yeah, still not too bad. There's like a tiny bit of soap on my back window, but that's alright. The car looks pretty clean. I'm gonna pull over here at the gas station to use the bathroom because I need to. But yeah, it not too bad. Modern 7-Eleven car wash, but you know, they're all still good. Alright, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it for this video.